Hi, Bob here from Silver Fox Fitness. Welcome to a Tai Chi meditation. To do this meditation, you just need a comfortable place to sit. It should help you if you do it regularly, like once a day. It should help you with your breathing. It should help you with your heart. And it should help you with stress and anxiety and calming down your body, along with a lot of other things too, but those are the basic things that are the benefits. So you're sitting somewhere in a very, very comfortable state. Now, not too comfortable though, remember, because you might go to sleep, and I don't want you to go to sleep. I want you to simply close your eyes. You can do that right now. And just do what I tell you to do. So I'm sitting up straight though. I'm not leaning back, but I am relaxed. I'll try to do some deep breathing, but I don't know. That's tough work. And I want this to be relaxing. So I'm just sitting here. Maybe I'll take a breath in through my nose and out through my mouth. There's nothing to see, so you can keep your eyes shut. If you prefer standing, you could, but this might go on for about 5 minutes, so I like to sit when I do this. Okay, very, very slowly, you're going to just turn your head from side to side. I can't see you, you can't see me. Just do it slowly, side to side. Focus on what you feel. Not too fast. Okay, when you get sort of to the middle, just go up and down with your head. Big yes. Don't forget, once in a while, take a breath in through the nose and out through the mouth, very slowly and very quietly. Okay, now I'm going to draw circles with my nose in front of my face. Slowly. I like to do this routine without any music or radios or anything like that, and just let the sounds of the environment around me help me meditate. Okay, you can relax your head in the middle somewhere. Take your shoulders very slowly and bring them up to your ears. And then just very, very slowly push your shoulders back. And then let them down. And then bring them to the front. That's it. And then up to the ears again. So you're making kind of circles with your shoulders. Keep going. If you're sitting in a comfortable, pretty good posture position, you should be able to sit here for quite a while doing these moves. So circles with your shoulders. Okay, now we're going to sort of hold it there in the middle and just let our arms dangle at our sides, straight, pretty straight, and then slowly lift them up. You can have palms coming up or knuckles, but keep them kind of straight. Keep going. You get to the top. Now don't go too fast. I'm still on my way up. When you get to the top, bring them back down. Straight in front of you. It's kind of like a wave. I'm still on my way down. Don't go too fast. Maybe I'll use my palms to lift up. Here I go, lifting up. Keep your eyes shut. And then when I get to the top, almost, I'll use my palms to push down. Yeah, that makes more sense. My brain likes that. Keep going. I'm on my way up again. Scoop up the air. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Okay, when I get to the bottom this time, I'm just going to relax the arms. I've got them on my thighs or my knees, my hands. Good. When I'm ready, I'm going to slowly turn from left to right with my hips. It's like I'm turning or twisting or rotating my body to the one way and looking, even though my eyes are shut, to see what's there. And then slowly back to center and then go the other way. Keep your hands on your thighs and your knees. Okay, anything over there? Nope. Slowly move toward the front, the center, and then go to the other side. Keep going. When you get to center this time, just hold it there. Good work. Let's just slowly let the hands go over top of the knees and let the hands go down the shins, and you're bending your body and you're going to maybe touch your toes, and then you're going to, with your head tucked in, you're going to untuck yourself and slide your fingers back up your legs on the front, bringing the upper body up. Over top of the knees go the palms, and just sit there again and go, oh. I call this Niagara Falls. So slide over top of the quads and the knees, bringing your upper body with your hands. The hands are sliding down to the ankles and then sort of touching the toes, the head's tucked in down there low, back up slowly. Let's do it again without me talking. This time when I get to the top, I'm going to just sit there. Relax your arms. Okay. Good work. Can you just lift one foot off the floor a little bit? And take your leg out a little bit so that the heel's now down, and then lift the other leg off the floor. Straighten the leg a little bit and put the heel down. So you got your toes in the air and you're balancing on your heels and your legs are bent a little bit, I guess. You're just sitting there. Okay. Now bring your toes up to your nose, like pull your toes in. That's it. Really, really, really pull the toes toward your nose. Your heels are touching the floor, so you're flexing your feet, and then relax them again. The toes are still in the air though. Oh, let's try that again. That feels good. Really bring the toes in. Try to point them to your nose. You're balancing on your heels. And you don't hold it long, and then you relax. Let's try it again. Keep going. Good work. Just relax. You can put your feet flat down, one foot, then the other. And now you're just sitting there in a nice neutral position. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. In through the nose. Out through the mouth. Your eyes are still shut. Just put one hand, doesn't matter which one, on your belly button. Okay? And then the other hand on top of that hand on your belly button. Okay, breathe in through the nose. And exhale through the mouth. So as you breathe in this time through the nose, really push your belly toward your palm. Make it really, really a big belly. Here we go. Good. And as you exhale, suck everything in. One more time, big belly. And exhale, suck everything in. Okay, take the one hand and put it on your thigh, and the other hand off the belly and on your thigh. And just sit there in neutral. Okay, when you open your eyes, would you open really, really slowly? I'm going to try that. Super slow. Okay, I hope that was enjoyable. It was supposed to be. It's good for your brain. Can you remember all the positions? Do you have to play my video and do it with my video every day? Or can you remember what I did? It's good for your lungs if you do deep breathing. At least try sometimes. It's good for your heart. It should slow it down. Your blood pressure, everything should slow down. Your brain should slip into the parasympathetic relax and rest mode. And you should feel wonderful. So, Tai Chi Meditation. You can do it. Until next time, how about waving goodbye?